Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and this is my market wrap-up for today, Thursday, November 2nd, 2017. Alright, the market hit another record high today. Let's just sum up this trading day. Very interesting. The video I did earlier today, I said this market was going to make a big move. At that time, this market was at the flat line. Throughout the day, the market was kind of hovering around the flat line. Actually was down at one point, I think about 75 points. We finished higher about 82 with regard to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, hitting yet another record. So we heard about this new tax plan today that has to still pass through Congress. Alright, I think a lot of that was probably priced in because the market didn't do too much. And then when we finally got the confirmation of this new Fed chair, again, market didn't do too much. It takes it. Look, the market lags all the time. It has to think about things. It has to digest it, and we'll see more of this tomorrow. But I think we got a hint at the end of the trading day as what we can expect. Again, new record here for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. How did I play this today? Right here. I bought January in the money calls on Goldman Sachs about 15 or 20 minutes before the market close. I still have IBM on my radar screen, Nokia on my radar screen, a few other ones, and I'm going to keep my eye on those as well. Again, I wait for the right time to strike. That's what I did here with Goldman, and we'll see how that plays out moving forward. So, again, it's just bizarre, people. It really, really is. Bond market today didn't do too much. And there's the tell. That was the tell right there. I think at least that the market wants to continue to move higher. If there was some fear here underlying this whole thing, you would see cash going into the bond market. Again, you can see this in real freaking time right on my website, traderschoice.net, right side of the page underneath my chat room, which is constantly full now. I can't even get in it myself, but that's okay. It's for all of you, and I'm glad that you're using it. There's not too much else going on here, people. The trade here remains risk on. That means metals are going to stay on sale longer. Although it looks like these things are starting to roll around too. I think there's no super sale going on right now. We may get one. I would not be surprised to see metals move up higher. I said that metals would go higher this week, last week, and that's exactly what has happened here. Dollar isn't doing too much here. I still believe sincerely that the trade here is risk on now. In about 15 minutes from the time I finish this, we're going to hear from Apple, their earnings and their outlook moving forward. This is going to play on the tech sector, no doubt about it. I would love, I was talking to one of my friends earlier today, Ernesto, yes, if you're watching this, I was telling him how I would love to see Apple, burn some off here. It would be a great opportunity to buy some of this stuff cheaper than it is now. Alright, so just in summary real quick, like I said earlier, the market was going to make a big move. It wasn't humongous, but it was a big move. We went from, actually we were down 75 to positive 82 or so. That is kind of big here. With a lot of gyrations here in the middle. I think there's more room to the upside in this market, despite the fact that it is distorted, twisted, it's not real, and please don't tell me you're sitting there like a deer in the headlights and not doing anything, because that's all I've been talking about is opportunity wherever you want to look in this market. You're a trader, there's opportunity here. You're a stacker, opportunity here. You want to get into Bitcoin, there's opportunity here. It cracked 7,000 today. I think it was at 7,300 and change today. Would I like to see a pullback here in Bitcoin? Without any freaking doubt, I would. What would this guy do if it pulled back $1,000? Let's say if Bitcoin tomorrow drops $1,000. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy more of it. And I keep getting more email from people about, Greg, you're so wrong about crypto. Greg, I have been, ask anyone on this blog who follows my work, so accurate with regard to what Bitcoin is going to do. In fact, I wrote all about it, but when it hit 28, I said it was going to 5,000 and above. Look where we are now. My next target is 10 grand. So people, please, look, please, stop writing to me and telling me that I'm wrong about things. I just honestly can't stand it, because until I'm really wrong about something, it makes you just look bad, and I don't want any one of you to do that. I love all you guys and girls out here. And if I don't write back to you, I honestly do not write back to emails anymore. Once in a blue moon, I'll pick one out there and I'll answer back, because it's just impossible. But anyway, I'm not going to run off at the mouth here anymore. Watch for stocks to continue to move higher here. Watch the bond market first, and then the stock market will react after that. You know, someone actually had written, I think on this blog here, how long is the lag time? It could be a day or 2 or 3. Usually it's a day or 2. You watch the bond market. If it's going to make any big moves, that will reflect in the market a day or 2 later. This is so big. It is so huge. It's like the biggest piece of news, I think, that a trader can convey to someone else who's trying to understand these markets. Watch the bond market. I've been screaming about this for the better part of a decade, and now at least you can see it in real time on my website, and then you can capitalize on this as well, even if you're a stacker. Again, when the trade is risk on, like we have here, cash is going to come out of certain assets. It's going to come out of the bond market. It might come out of precious metals to participate in this this Fantasyland stock market. I don't care how Fantasyland it is. I don't care that it's not real. There's real cash to be made here, which we can convert into other things. You see how simple this is? It's so simple. All right, with that said, I'm going to let you all go. We'll talk about this in the morning. That's it. See you tomorrow morning. Over now.